STP Ultra 5-in-1 Fuel System Cleaner claims to clean the tops and bottom of intake valves. Also, these piston crowns. Can you believe it? Well, we'll be testing this on fuel injectors as well, because I've heard a lot of great things about STP Ultra. Today we'll find out how to use STP and can it unclog fuel injectors? Well, stick around, you're about to find out. But first, let's go ahead and take you inside the engine and take a look at these intake valves, the tops and the bottoms. Then we'll show you the piston crowns as well. When you see how bad this carbon buildup is, you'll definitely think cleaning the inside of this engine isn't safe. However, not cleaning it would definitely do damage. But see for yourself, will we destroy the catalytic converter, or will it hurt the intake valves? We even perform compression tests before and after. As you can see, there's definitely a lot of carbon buildup, and it's making its way inside the combustion chamber, whether you clean it or not, because it will continue to accumulate until it breaks free on its own. Well guys, what do you think? Does STP have a chance at cleaning this carbon buildup, or do you think it's just too late? As you can see, the fuel injector is definitely clogged up. Now, can we help the spray pattern as well? It's time to add the STP to the fuel tank. One bottle treats up to 35 gallons. Now 1 ounce treats 3 gallons roughly. So we'll add a little more than 3 ounces. They really stand behind this fuel additive because they give a satisfaction guarantee. It also claims to deep clean the entire fuel system, even works for direct injection engines, or so it states, 3 times stronger than the regular formula. Increases fuel economy, reduces carbon deposits, unclogs fuel injectors, and so many more great claims. Even gives your car wings. No, I'm just kidding. But with all these great claims, you definitely have to be a skeptic. So, we gotta find this out for ourselves. We're going to reinstall the spark plugs, then drive on the highway for 10 to 15 minutes. And once we've used all of the fuel in the tank, probably about a few days later, we'll come back and check out the results. Now, while we're waiting on that test to finish, we'll be seeing just how this affects a fuel injector. Does it even work? Well, let's watch the spray pattern. As you can see, we've already added the STP to the fuel. I can for sure see a difference. Make sure you drop a comment below letting us know what you would like to see tested next in our upcoming video. But now let's go on to the compression test. As we can see, the fuel injector has done definitely well. Now we'll be showing what the compression was before we used the STP product. Just under 90 psi. We'll go ahead, add the STP product, then we'll come back for the rest of the test. Surprisingly, a 5 psi gain. I'm excited to get into this combustion chamber and see just how it impacted it, or if it done anything at all. I definitely have my doubts, but as you can see, definitely a difference on the pistons. Now we're going to check out the tops and bottoms of the intake valves. I'm really curious to see just how it affected those as well. With that much reduced carbon buildup, wow, you can definitely see a reduction, but around the valve, that's where all the reduction is. On the valve, not so much, but there was a slight improvement even on the valves. Well, before I use anything, I definitely do my research, and if you guys would like to know more information on STP, just check out the link in the description below or where you can find it. As you can see, these intake valves, well, there's definitely a difference in the before and after. Thanks for watching Nate's Interactive Auto.